Dubai Marina is an affluent residential neighborhood known for the beach at JBR, a leisure complex with alfresco dining and sandy stretches to relax on. Smart cafes and pop-up craft markets line waterside promenade Dubai Marina Walk, while Dubai Marina Mall is packed with chain and luxury fashion brands. Upscale yachts cruise through the large man-made marina, where activities range from jet skiing to skydiving. The marina, it's hard to believe that only a decade ago there was no marina. Opened in 2003, the man-made marina runs along a 3-kilometer stretch of shoreline. A heady mix of luxurious hotels, apartment buildings, and cafes, the marina hosts regular community events and markets, and is a wonderful place to while away an afternoon or evening. Spectacular at night when the skyscrapers glisten, here you can enjoy dinner on the beach next to the sea, or visit a high-rise bar in a hotel for a magnificent view across the Gulf and the man-made Palm Island, with the world-famous Atlantis Hotel at its end. The walk at Jumeirah Beach Residences is a pedestrianized stretch leading to a new development, the beach. It's one of the few places where Gulf nationals mix with tourists and Western expats. It's a popular place to show off your supercar for an evening, so watch out for Lamborghinis, Maseratis, and Ferraris in abundance. Find out how to make the most out of your time in the lively marina area. Go on a cruise. What better way to explore the wonderful water neighborhood than on a cruise? Climb aboard a traditional dhow and explore the waterways of Dubai Marina with Captain Jack. The cruise departs every hour from the Marina Promenade and can be joined at any time of the day. The surprisingly spacious vessel allows for voyagers to sprawl out on bean bags as it meanders along, showing off the area's incredible architecture and scenery, before making its way to the outskirts of Palm Jumeirah Island. For a VIP experience, book an evening cruise with exclusive yachts. Departing at 8 p.m. nightly from Pier 7 in Dubai, visitors will enjoy a gourmet menu aboard a 125-foot yacht. Try and book a seat on the upper deck for the best views. Shop, eat and swim. An impressive outdoor entertainment development located directly opposite JBR's The Walk, the beach is a hive of activity. Its modern, low-rise design elevates the enviable beachside location, and there are more than 70 shopping and dining options to try, including local favorite Kapagawa. Buy some souvenirs at I Love Dubai, then enjoy a quick swim in the sea or play sports on the sand. Afterwards, refuel on grilled seafood at Mediterranean Find Eat Greek, or Mega Burgers at US Import the Cheesecake Factory. If you're in the mood to explore further, the new Blue Waters Island by Meras, home to the world's second Caesars Palace Dubai and Sheikh Cove Beach Club, is just a quick 15-minute walk from the beach. Enjoy al fresco dining. For sunshine-filled meals to remember, you'll be spoiled for choice at Dubai Marina Walk. One of the highlights here is Baitil Cafe, famed for its gourmet dates. It's the perfect culinary pit stop thanks to its fine European-inspired cuisine and date-infused creations. Nearby, Pier 7 in Dubai Marina has carved out a name for itself as one of the city's most exclusive dining hubs. 7 dining concepts occupy each floor of the all-glass cylindrical structure adjacent to Dubai Marina Mall. Top of the list is the Scene by Simon Rimmer, where British comfort food is king. Afterwards, you can keep the party going at Pier 7's Cargo or Asia. Fly over the marina at high speed. Forget simply scoping out the marina from a tall building. No, that's so 2016. The world's longest urban zipline opened in 2017, and thrill seekers have been flocking to it ever since. The team from X-Line ran flights from 170 meters up one of the JB Azam Waj towers, across to the other side of the waterway on top of Marina Mall, every day of the year. With participants reaching speeds of up to 80 km per hour as they hurtle across the water, it's not an activity for the faint-hearted. Shop for high street favorites. The Dubai Marina Mall is a community favorite with a children's play center, exceptional dining and an edit of essential high street stores such as H&M, COS, River Island and Monsoon. While bustling, especially on weekends, it's the ideal place to browse and shop to your leisure. Families with young kids will also want to check out Little Explorers, an edutainment sanctuary for children between the ages of 2 to 7. The outdoor area by the mall also hosts seasonal events, including street carnivals, al fresco cinema celebrations and music festivals.